Hi, I'm Natalia Sánchez, the founder of House of Nordic Design. I have founded this company from all the observations that I have done during the last 10 years as an interior designer, working with smaller designer brands and designers and craftsmen for my interior projects, but also through the 9 years that I have done an exhibition for them during 3 days of design. What I experienced was that it's very hard for them to evolve their full potential, and in that sense also really getting out there and hit the market in the sense that they actually, their abilities are. And because of that, I decided to now make a company that will bring in Nordic contemporary design, but the next generation. And what we will do is make a sales platform, make a community for the designers, because they usually work very much in solitude, but at the same time also have a consultancy around the company where we evolve the areas that they also use time on, but that is practically not really their main trade and focus. House of Nordic Design is a new platform representing Scandinavian designers from all the Nordic countries, starting now out in Denmark with the Danish designers. Later on, we will also have Swedish, Norwegian, and Finnish design. What we will is to have a platform, whereas if you as an interior designer, a private client, or whomever you are looking for Scandinavian design, but next generation, this is where you're going to look. House of Nordic Design is very aware of that we stand on the shoulders of the old classics that the whole world knows about. All the amazing designers and architects that comes out of especially Denmark, but of course also the other Scandinavian countries. But we believe in that design is life, and the design can come from one generation to the next and have a life through generations. Whereas we will bring into the world the design of the next generation, we also believe in that you can combine the old and the new. That is how you build your own life, and that is how you build your home. And in that sense, we see that we can bring in some new amazing work and show the world what the Scandinavian design has to offer today.